Welcome to everyone. This week's video will cover the Dow Jones Industrial Average for the weeks of August 28, 2023. Before we start, please make sure you read carefully the disclaimer. The last update for the Dow Jones Industrial Average was on June 26. At that time, we expect the 40-week cycle to form a low. Let's see what's happened since that and what we can expect for the next few weeks. If you like this video, please click on the button, subscribe, and click on the bell to make sure you don't miss any future videos. Let's start with the 10-day cycle. The last time the market crossed below its cycle line was on August 2nd at 35,449, providing a potential target at 35,219. On August 4th, the market met the target. The Friday, August 25th low was a 10-day cycle. The next one is expected on September 1st. What's next? The market should cross above the cycle line, providing an upside target. On this table, the cycle line for this week and the potential targets is the market cross above this week. The success rate for the 10-day cycle is 100%. The 20-day cycle. The last 20-day cycle occurs certainly on a Friday at 34,029. The next low is expected on September 11. Since the last June 26 update, we have two signals with the cycle line. The first one was on June 30, when the market crossed above the cycle line at 34,044 and 34,243 for a potential upside target zone between 34,479 and 34,876. On July 12, the market met its target and kept moving up until August 1st, where it made a high at 35,679. The second crossing was on August 3rd at 35,361 and 35,306 for a potential target zone between 35,044 and 34,932. The next day, the target has been met. The success rate for the 20-day cycle is 85.71%. Here are the resistance line for this week, and their potential target is the market cross about it this week. The 40-day cycle. Since the June update, the market gave three signals with the cycle line. The first one was on the downside on July 6 at 34,254 and 34,004 for a potential target at 33,920 and 33,419. The target has been met on July 10. The second one was on the upside on July 11 at 33,965 and 34,144 for a potential target between 34,294 and 34,584. On July 18, the target has been met. The third one was on April 11 with a crossing at 35,248 and 35,297, providing a downside potential target at 34,817 and 33,916. The target have been met 3 days later. The success rate for the 40-day cycle is 100%. Since the July 10 low, the first 40 days low occurred on July 24th, and the last one certainly on a Friday. If the August 25th 40-day cycle low is confirmed, the next one is expected to occur on September 28. The other option is the actual 40-day cycle, the second since the July low, will form a low on September 11. In this case, the previous 40 low has to be moved from the July 24th to August 8. We will know very soon which option is the right one. What's next? By following what the market reaction when we meet its 20-day cycle line, then we will have a better picture. If the market crosses above the 20-day cycle line, then there is a high probability the August 25th low is a 40-day cycle low. If not, then the second option has to be considered. Why this uncertainty? Because we still have a little issue where to place the last major low, the 40-week cycle between June 25th or July 10th. But for now, it's not very important. All what we have to know is August high is a 40-day cycle peak, and the market now should rally toward this cycle line. The 80-day cycle. The last 80-day cycle low occurred on July 10th. It is correct that the next 80-day cycle low is scheduled for September 16. But if the major low occurs on June 25th, then at the same time it will be the 80 days low. There is a high probability the August 25th low is a part of 80 days low. The first one since the last 40 weeks low. Last week, the market crossed below the cycle line at 34,431 and 34,259, providing a potential downside target zone between 33,184 and 32,839. The success rate for the 80-day cycle is 800%. If the market reaches its target by September 13 before crossing back above the cycle line, then the July 10 is a major low will be confirmed. If we place the 80-day cycle low on June 25th, and the 80 days low should occur around August 31st or September 1st. If, after last week's low, the market rally and cross above the cycle line and making a new high, this will be bullish. In this case, the June 25th low will become a major main count. The 20-week cycle. The last 20-week cycle occurred on July 10. The next one is scheduled between October 21st and November 11. The success rate for the 20-week cycle is 66.67%. The 40-week cycle. The next 40-week cycle is scheduled around end of March 2024. Technically, during the next 40-week cycle, the market should cross below its cycle line and providing a downside target. How will be the 40-week cycle correction? All depends where the 40-week peak will occur compared to the cycle peak. If there is a time translation to the left, what others call left translation, this means the peak occurs on the left side of the cycle. This is bearish. Then the correction could be sharp. We have a high at 35,679 on August 1st. This high is on the left side of the cycle. Then, if we don't have a new high during the next rally, we will have a left translation for the 40-week cycle peak, then this will be bearish. But if we have a new high after the cycle peak, and this peak occurs on the right side of the cycle, then the decline should be moderate. The success rate for the 40-week cycle is 50%. The 18-month cycle. On this cycle, we still have an upside target at 36,485. The last 18-month cycle occurred on October 22. The next one is scheduled on March 2024. For now, the 18-month cycle peak occurs right on the peak of the cycle, the dashed line. During the next correction, the Dow Jones should find support on its cycle line. At that time, the cycle line will be around 33,422. If the market crosses below its cycle line and provides a downside target, this will be bearish for the market. In this case, the coming low could be the 54-month cycle low or 4.5 years low. Then there is a high probability the market will test the October 2022 low. In conclusion, for now we expect the 80-day cycle low to occur very soon if it's not already in place. This is the end of this week's video. Thank you for following me. Next week I will publish another market update.